Stop scrolling for a moment and pause. Take a breath. Relax. Have you ever noticed that with the rise of digital technology and screens, mobile phones, our thoughts and our feelings have become more easily manipulated by corrupt leaders, greedy corporations, and manipulative advertisers and marketers. But one part of us that can't be so easily manipulated is our nature. What I mean by that is our instinct, our gut instinct, and our ability to tap into something wider than ourselves through intuition that I call nature consciousness. Join me, get off screen more, get out more, and tap into that natural mindfulness.